Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ExcelVBA Expert. In today's video, we are going to prepare this dashboard which you can see on the screen. Alright, so this is the inventory management dashboard I have created. This is the very simplest we will be creating in a very short time. Okay, so it seems that it has taken a lot of effort, but actually, yeah, in the designing part it has taken, but the technically it is not that much big deal. All right, that's what I thought, that I should make a video on this topic and on this incredible dashboard. All right, so let's start to prepare this dashboard, how we can do this. Okay, so I have created this dashboard actually based on the dummy data, and the dummy data I would show you here. This is the dummy data I have taken, right? So let's create this dashboard from the scratch. Okay, so I'm just hiding this sheet. All right, and this dashboard as well. Dashboard I am just keeping it so that we can pick these icons from this sheet. All right, so this is the dashboard. Okay, and I'm gonna create, we will create the dashboard from the starting in this sheet, dashboard 1. All right, so first you need to remove the grid line. Let's remove it quickly. All right, we removed it, and now let's merge the cells till the R column. All right, let's merge it, and just I merge it out, and let's give the color. This color I have already defined. Okay, I already defined this color, and here I'm going to write inventory management dashboard. All right, and let's, font color should be white, and let's make it center and increase the size. All right, as soon as you will increase the size, it will be looking like this. All right, the what next we need to do here, we need to create a shape. So let's go in the insert, and let's take any shape here. Okay, and the background also we need to make it the same, I mean black. All right, I'm going to make the background black. Go in home and select the same color. All right, okay, now you need to take an shape. Just go in the insert and take any shape. I'm just taking this it, and we will stretch it out little. Okay, like this, and just do the black color. Okay, the color we need to be very consistent towards the color. The color should be only this which we defined. All right, okay, the color, background color, I need to make it little more darker. Just wait guys. Okay, so this is what actually we did. If you will do full screen, so it will be looking like this. Okay, great, this is the great. All right, what next we need to do, we need to copy this shape and paste it, and make it you know the 4 of this shape. Okay, size you need to define as per your convenience. So I'm just defined the size enough bigger only. Copy and paste 4 times. Okay, what all we need to do, we need to put the in stock, out stock, defective stock, and return stock. So how this is working, I would show you. Okay, these are the slicer, these are the stocks, these are the the employee wise sales and max sales what they actually made. And this is the the tabular dashboard, I would say. Okay, the tabular data you guys can see the date wise, and I mean in each date. Okay, on the day of 8th March, Kishan what actually has done. Total sale was of Kishan 312, and the minimum sale actually, he did only 312. All right. So these are the things actually we did. All right, 4954. This is the minimum, right? I think this should be the maximum. Let me unhide it. Let me unhide it. So I just picked this one, right? The minimum sale actually was that. All right, it was good. Okay, now let's copy and paste it 2 times more. One, copy and paste, and copy and paste. You know, define and set the places of these shapes, right? I just set it like this. Select all this, I mean shape, and go in shape format and do it. Distribute horizontally, distribute vertically. All right. All right. What next we need to do? The next we need to do is to taking the shape, taking the the icon. So for the icon, you guys can see here that I do have an icon, this icon, this icon, from where I actually had picked it. So you need to go in the insert, go in icons here. All right, here you can search whatever you want to search. I pick the icon from, I chosen them, from here. You can scroll it down and choose whatever you want to do. So for the time being, what I'm doing is I'm copying all the icons which I have used here. You guys can go in the insert and select the icons as per your requirement. All right, copy it. Okay, copy it and paste it here. Paste it and set it here. All right, set it here. And the next icon is this. Copy and paste it here. Paste it here. All right, again just go here, copy it and paste it here, and set this page, set the place of this icon. Go here and just copy it and paste it here. Okay, so now it actually has started to looking very very good. All right, now you need to copy it and paste it and set the same on the top of the header. All right, now it seems little good. What next we need to do? We need to take a shape. We need to define what are these, what are these boxes would be denoting. So this would be the in stock, this would be the out stock, this would be the defective, or I think return, I believe the defective and the return stock. Okay, so the icon should be substituted. All right, what next we need to do here? The very simple thing, we need to click on the shape first, go in the shape format and go and just choose the text boxes. All right, in the text boxes you need to draw it, you need to draw it like this. Okay, here I'm writing here in stock. Okay, in the in stock, what you can do, remove the background color. No background color. Okay, no fill, and font should be white. All right, simple, leave it like this. And border, the outline you can see around the text box, you need to also remove the same. From here you can go and remove the no outline. Okay, just select it, copy and paste, copy and paste. Okay, copy and paste, copy and paste, that's it. Okay, you will have to copy and paste like this, copy and paste. All right, this should be the out stock, and this should be the defective stock. Okay, and this should be the return stock. All right, great, we did this. What next? We need to also define the numbers. These numbers you guys can see. Now we have did the designing part. Next we need to work on the data fetching. The data fetching, how we are, how we will be fetching the data and automatically. That is a very very big thing, and that's where actually we need to put our efforts. All right, so this is the data here. Let's draw the pivot table on this data. Alt and with T and enter. All right, and after that what actually you need to do is you need to what was our first box? The first box was saying to in stock. So the in stock, you go and in stock, the field you guys can see, and just drag it in the value. Okay, after that this should be the sum. Okay, this should be the sum, and do equal to, okay, do equal to A4. Okay, click here, so that whatever the text boxes we will be connecting, we will not be connecting with the pivot table, we will be connecting that text box with A5, so that whatever the value will be changing in the pivot table, that automatically will be reflecting in the A5, which where we have our reference of A4, right? Okay, just copy the same, copy it and paste it here, and here instead of in stock, now you need to drag the out stock. Okay, do the out stock here and just remove it and do the out stock. Okay, remove the in stock and click and drag it to the out stock. Okay, so after that just again copy it and paste it here, and instead of out stock, go and select the defective stock here. Now you will have a defective stock. Okay, just drag it in the value, and now again copy it and paste it. That's it. Okay, and remove the defective stock and select the return stock. Okay, after that the references you need to set, copy and paste it here, copy and paste it here, paste it here and paste it here, sorry, paste it here, and comma separated value you need to make it like this. That's we did. All right, go in the dashboard one, just copy this text box, okay, which we have taken for the header, Okay, copy it and paste it here and do the equal to the sheet 2 and to the A5. Now value you guys can see, you need to format it. Do the just font color you need to change it and make it bigger and do the bold. Okay, that's it. Okay, you need to set it, and you need to set in the center. Okay, and just copy it and paste it, copy and paste it here. Okay, and instead of A5 now you do equal to go and select the outstock like this. Okay, what is the font size 18. The font size should be same for all the values, right? So this should be the 18, bold and white. Copy and paste, and after that you need to again do unequal sorry equal to sheet 2 and defective stock, enter. 18, sorry, white and 18 and bold, the three things that you need to do. Copy and paste it here. Again for the return stock, do again equal to, go to the sheet 2 and enter. White, white and 18 sides, and do it bold. Okay, so this is what actually we did, and let's see how it is looking. Let's do the full screen. All right, now it seems good. What next we need to do, we need to create one more chart and one more pivot table. Copy this and paste it here. Okay, and here you need to create the chart employee wise, right? Employee name, in stock remove, and total sales would be here, total sales, and again drag the total sales. What all we want to show here, I want to show here, you guys can see Akash, totals Akash total sale was 5538, and but the maximum Akash actually made the sales of 969. All right, so that is the maximum, maximum sales Akash actually made. All right, in a one go. Okay, so that's what actually we need to do. Okay, here that it would be the total sales and it would be the max of sales. Okay, go right click on the field and just go in the summarize value by max. Okay, and again you need to go in the design and remove the total. Do not show grand total and off rows and column. Okay, that's actually you did. What next you need to do, you need to click your cursor, you need to keep your cursor inside the pivot table and go in the insert. And after that, what do you need to do, you choose any kind of 2D 2D column chart, for example. Okay, cut it here and paste it here. Okay, and remove it here. After that, do the full screen and let's start to format. We need to design it. Okay, how we will be designing it, you will see. This is very important part. Right click on this max of total sales and go and hide all the buttons on the chart. Okay, right click and hide all the buttons, and this is the legend which you need to put it in the bottom. Go in, right click on the plus icon, go in the legend. Okay, do it bottom. Okay, remove the grid line. Okay, right click it on change chart type. In the combo you need to select the line like this. Okay, and okay. Alright, so first you need to remove the background of the white. It should be I mean not white, it should be completely equal to the background color which we have here is black. Alright, go in the format, go in shape fill and select this one. Okay, select this one, and after that you need to also the option and the things you guys can see, the font size are still in the little white, so you need to remove it to the, you need to convert it into the black. Okay, black, simple. Okay, the same here, the secondary one as well, but the legend should be in the white. So legend should be in the white, so you need to select it here, and the x-axis also should be in the white and make it bold. That's it. After that, right click on the chart and format plot area. You need to click on the column. Okay, and you need to go here in the series option, and after that gap width you guys can see, you need to decrease it. Okay, decrease it till here. All right, and after that what you guys can do, the line also we need to format. Okay, click on the line, and after that go in the shape fill. In the shape fill, solid line it should be, or the black, the color you guys can see black. Okay, and the color you guys can see as of now it was black. Now it actually is blue. Okay, and after that, make whatever the color that you want to choose the color. For example, I am choosing here the orange one, for example. Okay, and if you want to change the column color, it is up to you. I'm just keeping it for example the green. Sorry, the column you need to choose the column and go in the fill, and in the fill, sorry, in the fill you need to select the solid, and whatever the color you want to choose, you guys can choose it. Okay, for example, I'm keeping it blue. Okay, not blue is not looking so good, so let's keep it orange. Let's keep it orange. And the line you guys can change. Okay, line I'm changing it to the little white. Okay, and the transparency, the width, you guys can see I'm increasing the little width. And marker is the pointer, okay, where I want to show the data label. Okay, built in, select the circle one. Here you guys can see the circle one. Size you guys can increase. Okay, it's good. Now click on the line and go in the fill again, go on the bottom, and smooth line, you need to make it a smooth line. That's it. Okay, now you guys can see it is looking, I mean, much better than previous. Okay, border, you guys can see outline is still coming in the chart, I mean this chart. So you select the chart, go in the format and select the no outline. Okay, no outline. And after that, labels, we need to put the labels here. So click on plus icon, data label. Here, data label, you need to choose it. Okay, and make it center first. Okay, make it center or above. For the line, it should be above. And go in the home and select the white. All right, and again here you guys can see the colors, I mean the labels for the columns. You need to make it center. So for in order to make it center, click on the center. Okay, and do the bold. All right, so here the values which are not in the comma separated, you again need to go back to the pivot and select all the values and make it comma separated. Okay, so that the numbers would look good. You go in the dashboard one. Now you guys can see. All right, you guys can see now it is, I mean, much better. It is much better. Remove it. It is much better. Okay, so I can also increase the size, little size here, to the M. All right, so here the still the slicer actually has not connected to, or I mean not connected with even one boxes or with the chart. One thing still we need to do is this table we need to do. I what i want is what i want is uh, I need to, I should have one scroll so that I can scroller, so that I can, if I will scroll it down or up, the value should get automatically change. Okay, as per the selection of the slicer. All right, all these things should be connected with each other. That is the main thing, so that it would be completely dynamic. So go in the dashboard one. In the dashboard one, whatever the, I mean the headers we want to bring it out, this, just copy it and you guys can paste it here. I'm just pasting it here, and I'm just keeping the column width as a 15. Okay, keeping it as a 15, but this the boxes actually got increased a lot. I'm making it little smaller, and again keeping my all these things in the center. Later on we will do it, we will make them group. All right, okay, so here we did it. We need to create one more pivot here, copy it and paste it here. What actually we need to do, right click on it, show field, the total sales, what all we are showing, employee name, total sales and the minimum sales, right? So here the total sales is already there, make it max. Here we have a max, make it min. Okay, make it min here. In the rows we need to put it date, this date. Okay, and remove the year, remove the quarter, remove the month. All right, that's what we did. Okay, and after that, here we need to make one unique key. Just fill the series number. So this will be your unique key. Okay, this is the unique key. Okay, here we do not have any kind of duplicate. So I'm dragging it little more down, so that if the value and if the my pivot will get increase and decrease, so that my value would keep on picking in my dashboard. Okay, So now next what we need to do, I need to create a three slicers. First slicer would be of year, and the second would be of month, and third would be of company. So I'm going in the pivot table analyze and clicking on the insert, and here I do have month, year and company. Okay, and click on OK, and cut all cut all the slicer from here and bring them in the dashboard sheet. Okay, bring them in the dashboard sheet. All right, paste it here. So here first of all, year you need to bring it out the year here, and in the slicer I already have designed this. You guys can see I designed this custom, custom one. So what how you can design, you can design in the new slicer style. I just kept everything in whole slices would be in the black, so I just went into the format and selected the black one, and font would be in the white. First thing I did it, and the second, the header, I did not select anything. In the selected item with the data, I mean whatever the, for example, if I would choose 2019, so it should be in the white. So what I did, the background should be white but the font should be in black, right? If I have not selected, I mean in unselected boxes, unselected year should be in the black. Okay, that's what actually I did, and that slicer I got it. Okay, and in the slicer we just make it, we actually design the slicer, okay, by choosing the custom format, I mean custom slicer. All right, here slicer style. And in the columns we need to make it into the two part. I need to bifurcate this year into the two categories, I mean into the two columns, I would say. So here you need to select the slicer and go into the columns. Right now here you guys can see one, make it two. Okay, and make it two, and I mean set the slicer like this. Okay, here you guys can select it. Next you need to select the month. In the month again you need to select it and make it 3, 1 2 3. Okay, and bring it here. Okay, bring it here little more like this. So let's make it 3. It's ways, let's make it 3. Okay, next the company you need to also make it black and into the two categories, for example. All right, now it seems very good. You guys can see slicer is very good here. Okay, now my the slicer is going crossing the shape. So let's increase it and make it little, let's stretch it little more. Okay, now let's make it in the full screen so that it will look good. Okay, now you guys can see everything's working. If I would select 2019, will it get changed? No, the start is not getting changed. All right, so what we need to do, you need to right click in each slicer, go in the report connection and connect all the pivots here. The pivot 2 was not connected, pivot 3 was not connected, pivot 4 was not connected, and so on. Okay, you will have to connect all the pivots so that if you are selecting any slicer, okay, that impact will be reflecting in each visualization that you created in the dashboard. Okay, and right click and go in the report connection again, pivot table 2, pivot table 3, pivot table 4, pivot table 5, pivot table 6, pivot table 1. All right, and okay. And here also in the company, go in the report connection, select all the pivots. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and click on OK. Now if you will select in 2019, all those things would get changed. Okay, 2020, very good. I want to select from Jan to May, Feb to May, for example. Okay, and after that what I want to select the company here, ABC. So this is how you guys can filter out anything. That there are three filters I have taken. Okay, the first is year, second is month, and the third one is company. All right, and accordingly it will get reflected. Okay, these things I have done. Now very good, I mean very important thing is to just making it the last tabular data. Okay, how we will make it. So first you need to go in the developer, go in the developer. We also need to make it little border here. Okay, we need to make it border here. Okay, I just now the border is in the black. Okay, border is in the black, and go in the border, and here you will have an option of line color. It should be white, and after that, after the white you need to also change the border style. Style should be this, and after that you need to click on again the border one. That's it. Okay, here I have made the table. The slicer, I mean the scroller I need to create, go in the developer, go in the insert and select this scroller. Okay, and drag it till here, drag it till here. All right, what next? Here we need to make it connected, this scroller with this pivot. Okay, so how we will be connecting this scroller? So just do right click, go in the format control. After that you will have a option. There would be a couple of options which you need to fill. Current value should be 1, minimum value 1, and max let's keep it as a 100 or 200 if you want. Okay, so increment value, I mean increment change value should be 1 by 1 it should get changed, and page change should be 1, and the cell link I am going to click here and okay. Okay, now first you need to get the current row number. So row number would be 1, or all the fonts should be in in the white. All right, and make it center. So plus 1, now it is, you guys can see n11. Okay, in n, I mean in n11 you have a 10. Just do minus, just do minus just do minus 10. Okay, just do minus 10. Or what you guys can see, you guys can select this first, and after that get the current row number is 10, and do minus 10 and do plus 1 and select this one. Okay, and drag it down. If you'll drag it down, you will be having this, the unique key which we have created in sheet 2, this one. So on the basis of that key, on the basis of the key that we created in the pivot, we can do the lookup. Okay, in the lookup what we need to do is just do one thing, do f just do f2, just do f2 and go in. I mean you will have to again, you will have to use here the vlookup, and after that lookup value we have already defined, which was our unique key. In the table array we need to go in the sheet 2 and select from here, and now as of now I am selecting 2 for the, I mean one more thing we need to do, the employee name we actually have not dragged here. So just employee name also you need to drag it like this. Okay, and do right click and go to the pivot table option and make it as a classic pivot table, and remove. Okay, that we have not got the subtotal. Right click and field settings, so that these blanks you guys can do the repeat item labels. Okay, okay, after that now table we have created. Now let's do the lookup only. VLOOKUP. Okay, VLOOKUP. After that go in sheet 2 and select the 2 first, 2, so that you guys can get the date. You guys can, okay, so you need to remove it here from 1, it should get start from row number 2. You need to exclude the header now. All right, and after that drag it and control shift hashtag. All right, and just do copy it and paste it here. Instead of 2 put it here 3, instead of 2 put it here 4, instead of 4 now column index number you need to change only, and 5, and drag it down. All right, if you will select, if you will drag it down, you guys can see the values are getting changed, right? But in min cells I need to put one conditional formatting. If the sales is greater than 50, if 500, those cells should be in the green, and if any sales, if the sales are less than 500, those cells should be in the red. So alt touch L, which is the shortcut key of the conditional formatting, and I'm going here and clicking on greater than. In the greater than I am just selecting here 500, and it should be in the red. That's okay. And alt touch L, instead of greater than now I'm putting less than. Instead of 555 here I'm gonna write here 500 for the green. You need to change here into the green. Less than 500 it should be in the, the color we will change it. Okay, so I'm just keeping it less than as a, okay, so the red should be in the, I mean the green part. Right now, the as of now we did the opposite, so let's make it change. Alt touch L R in the conditional formatting. Instead of green we need to choose here, go in the format, we need to choose the white font and go in the fill and select the red, and okay. So what actually it will denote you, it will, sorry, the this one also, the if the values are greater than 500 it should be in, it should be in the green. All right, it should be in the green. So I think we made the opposite one. All right, and go in the edit value and go in format. Now it should be in the green and font color should be in the white. All right, and okay, font should be all right. Let's okay, okay, and apply. As soon as you will apply, you guys can see, okay, whatever the values are, less than 500, those cells are in the red. If you will keep on scrolling it down, the values would be getting keep on changing. Let's make it full screen, and now you will be able to see this is the dashboard we have created. If I will select 2019 here, you guys can see everything is getting changed. We do not have any data, we do not have that much data, so that we can populate the data into this table. We do have only these kind of, I mean, three items we do have in the tabular format, right? If you will select 2020, you will be having, the the data you guys can populate, you can represent to anyone. All right, you guys can see, right? Values are getting changed. If I would select July, values and charts and everything is getting changed automatically by itself. So this is something which is called the, completely dynamic dashboard you have created on the basis of very very small data. And these are these kind of, the comprehensive insights we have, taken out and we have shown in the dashboard. That is the what actually, everyone expect from the data analyst, right? So I hope guys you have liked this video, and I would also attach this file in the description box. From there you guys can download it and you can use it for your practice. All right, so thank you so much everyone for watching the video. Thanks a lot. Let's meet in the next week with the app scripting, right? As I told you that every week I would be uploading the video on the app scripting, and that video I would be uploading most probably by Monday or Tuesday. All right, so I thought that I should make a video on the dashboard because it's long time since I have not uploaded any video on the dashboard part. So I hope guys you have liked it, and let's do the practice very hard and let's learn it together. Okay, thank you so much everyone for watching the video.